His Excellency, the President, William Samuel Ruto, First Lady, Rachel Ruto, Deputy President, Kindiki Kithure, all protocol observed. My name is Simon Jogu, and for the last 9 years, I've been driving Mzee. I have a tribute for all the workers, but before that, I'll have to say a few words. When I joined Mzee, I didn't know how to drive manual cars. I was used to automatic. But one thing about Mzee, he never left me behind. He never fired me. He gave me the chance to learn and to be an excellent driver. And today, I'm unable even to drive those automatic cars. But if I get a manual car, I can maneuver anywhere in Kenya. Mzee, as he lay to rest, he has been an extraordinary friend to me. We have been inseparable. He guided me. He gave me hope when I had none. I gave him my story some time back after a few months, and he asked me whether I have parents. And I told him no. And he told me, we are the same. His mother died when he was a small boy. My mother died when I left from home. So we were the same. He told me, I will not leave you, and I'll stand with you until you make it in life. And for that, I hold books in my heart. I've been with him. He supported my kids through school every now and then. He never wanted to hear anything disturbing my peace as I drove him. He trusted me with his life every day for the last 9 years. And on a lighter note, when I joined his, I started working for him on September 2nd, 2016. And I told him on 5th, so I'll not be coming to work. I'll celebrate my birthday. Mauni masiana, no nire. Nega kurora, mudenyo sio nega kurora. We went to race course. He loved horse racing. And after that, he gave me 100 shillings and told me, go there, take chapati and tea. Then in the evening, we are going to go home. To cut the long story short, this is a man who I'll never forget in my life. Because what I am today, it is because of him. And let me read the tribute for the workers. It is with deep respect and sincere appreciation that we pay tribute to a truly exceptional leader and employer, Mzee, as we used to call him. Throughout your time as our employer, you have exemplified the value of integrity, vision, and dedication. Your leadership has not only guided us to new heights, but it has also inspired every one of us who had the privilege of working under your guidance. You believed in people. You created a culture where hard work was recognized, harmony was encouraged, and every voice has an opportunity to be heard. Your door was always open, your mind sharp, and your heart generous. Many of us have grown professionally and personally because you created an environment where growth was possible. Your ability to lead with both strength and compassion is a rare gift, and it has made an immeasurable impact in our lives. You challenged us to be better. You supported us when we stumbled, and you celebrated with us when we succeeded. Our salaries has never been late. You maintained outstanding consistency in paying your dues, one that is only seen in serious multinationals. we are able to plan ourselves with our finances because we knew where the money was coming. As we reflect on all that, you have done the legacy you have left behind. We were filled with gratitude. You have not just been a boss, you have been a mentor, a guide, and an inspiration. You listened to us more than you spoke. You have never discriminated any one of us at home, and you always knew we are part of your family. To us, you are not our employer, you are our father and our grandfather. Thank you for everything. Your contribution will never be forgotten, and your impact will be felt for years to come. With deepest respect and admiration, your staff. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the